night. Bright lights, high crowd, yeah, we came to throw down. Everybody get loud. Tonight's the night. A-list, can't miss.
How's it going, guys? Cobra with King Cobra Airsoft here, bringing you the last game back from August 9th at Mission Airsoft. I just never really got around to uploading this game, and at the moment I really didn't feel like editing it, so I'm just going to give you all the raw footage with very little commentary. But I will tell you about this game. This is Nuclear Warfare. I never played this game at all before at Mission Airsoft. Basically what it is both teams have one runner, and on my team I was elected to be the runner. Now because I have to run in this game, I did not bring my M4 with me during this game, so I'm just carrying 2 pistols. And it was really tough for me because I'm not really in the best shape, but I wanted to do it because it sounded fun. Basically, in this game, there is a bomb in the middle of the map, and the objective for my team is to get 4 red railroad spikes into the bomb. The railroad spikes that we were using were symbolizing starter keys, I guess you could call them, or however they called them, like ignition keys or something like that to set the bomb off. The opposing team had yellow railroad spikes, and those were, quote, plutonium rods. The object was to get all 4 of the red spikes into the bomb before the opposing team can get all of their spikes back to their spawn point. And it was really tough for me because, like I said, I was out of shape, and I'm still out of shape. But you know, I tried my best. We ended up getting all 4 spikes in the bomb, and we were supposed to hold it for, I believe, 5 minutes, but we were not able to do that. The start of the game does start off kind of sloppy because I had my second pistol in my holster on my cross-draw vest, but there's no retention strap. So right as me and this other guy start rushing this barrier up ahead of us, my pistol falls out of my holster. And it just got kind of crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you in the next video.
One you dropped, so you have all the pins really close.
Oh, okay,
So you can only have one in play.
okay.
So we'll rush the thing. If we see an opening, just bolt like across to get cover behind the things, and then I'll suppress, and then you pop the pin in, and then make your way back. If you get shot, who cares? You're going to respawn it over here anyway.
Yeah, unlimited response.
Once you get it in.
Alright, get ready, guys.
Alright. Semi only.
Oh, I don't have to worry about that.
My gun was on auto.
My gun doesn't have auto.
They're going to rush the pallet and the red thing.
I see one head right now. I see one guy right now.
Well, don't shoot yet.
Don't shoot yet.
Shit! I lost my pistol.
Does that sound like full auto to you? No? Okay.
Let me know if you think I have I'm able to move.
There's a guy on the road.
Oh, come on!
He's there. He's good, I think. You get it? Hey man, dive for it over there. I'll suppress him.
Tell me when.
Go.
Hit!
Don't drop it. Keep it with you. Keep the pin with you so that they don't get lost. If you get shot while you're carrying the pin, just take it with you, man. That's why one of those other pins got lost already.
You're only guy.
Hey, can you cover me while I'm moving? Never mind.
Do another go.
Roger that.
You didn't want to bring that back. You could have just.
He told me to take it with
Oh,
me.
he took it. Okay. All right, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
I got him suppressed.
The road here is clear.
Make a move. Make a move.
Hey, on the road over here!
I spoke to this player after the game and I told him that he did not properly safety kill me because I was not in his line of sight, but I just took it anyway because I didn't want to argue.
Suppress me over there. Hit! No spawn camping either. Don't give up now.
By the way, their whole left side is uncovered. Nobody was there whenever we were there. I just got shot from left hand.
Hey, we need you up at the box, man. They're not gonna come this way.
Hey guys. Okay,
10,
we need
9,
more people at the
8,
left because there's nobody there, and they don't
6,
have anybody in there.
We're all hit. We're all hit.
4, 3.
Just do it already.
Just go. You go with him, man. Go with him, man. Don't worry about you. This is nothing. Run. Go.
Hey, run over here! Hit! Hit! That's bullshit. They should be able to hear me. Oh, call that crap. Damn it. You want me to move?
knocking them down, man. John!
Go, go, go.
John!
Cover, 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 cover. Fuck. Yeah. Never had to run that much of an airsoft game before.
Drink through your nose after your mouth.
No, there's one more after this.
Walk it up, man. Just walk it.
I can hold him.
Nothing's going on right. I still
10.
see them.
9. Walk behind me, man. Walk it off. Come on. 8, 7, 6,
Is anyone in the left?
4, 3, yeah. 2, 1. He's it. Go, man. Go. Walk it over, man. Walk it over.
John.
Well, that pretty much wraps up this game, guys. As you could see, half the game was me running back and forth, and the other half was me trying to catch my breath. As you can see, I'm about to pass out right here, but I still had a lot of fun in that game, and I hope to play it again when I go back on the 28th. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. If you did, please like and favorite, and leave a comment in the comments if you have any questions to ask. This is Cobra, reminding you to play hard, play smart, and live the game. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Stay tuned.
Tonight